All right, our next problem is problem number 29, in which it asks for us to find the total area of the figure. And this problem has no shaded sections. It is subdivided only because there are pieces that are giving us information. So first I have a segment here that's giving me a radius because it starts at the center of the circle and it goes to a side of 7, which means that the height or the diameter of that circle has to be 14, which is twice the radius. That's going to help me out because that's going to give me the area of the rectangle. 14 times 19 is 266. So that was the easy piece. Now let's figure out the area of half of a circle. So I'm going to start right away with the 1/2 and then plug in the rest of my formula. Remember that the area of a circle is pi r squared. So let's continue. Area equals 1/2 now. Pi times 7, which is my radius, squared. Let's keep simplifying. Area equals 1/2. Pi, 7 times 7 is 49. Let's rearrange this a little bit because we can. Area equals 1/2 times 49 times pi. So I'm going to simplify this up a little bit. What is half of 49? Well, that's 24.5. And that is as far as we can simplify this problem. We haven't really gotten anything too complicated yet. It's just plugging in our radius and simplifying by following the following steps. The more steps you show me, the better I will have an understanding of whether or not you can replicate the same type of procedure or where you've made a mistake if you have. So I encourage you to show me all of these steps. And parents, if you're checking your child's study guide, encourage them to show you all of the steps so that you can match them to what I have. So this would be my exact answer. Oops, sorry. Exact area of the half circle. And so my exact answer would be 266, which is the area of my rectangle, plus 24.5. 24.5 pi. And then if I wanted to find an approximate solution, I could figure out an approximate value of 24.5 by saying my area is then 24.5 times 3.14. So the area of that semicircle would be 76.93 approximately. And so I could add 266 plus 76.93 and determine that the approximate value is 342.93 inches squared. Number 30, find the total area of this figure. This one should be a little bit more simple because these are straight up formulas. Don't require any pi's in them. So let's see, I have a square that is 12 by 12. Since it's 12 by 12, that would make it 144. Because any square is going to be its number squared. Then we need to find out the area of the triangle. 1/2 the base and the height. So 4 times 6 times 1/2. And that would equal 12. So my total area 144 plus 12 is 156 inches squared. Number 31, find the value of x. Now you should recall us dealing with the triangle sum theorem, in which the triangle sum theorem told us that the measure of the three interior angles in a triangle all add up to 180. And since they do, we can say that 70 plus 60 plus 8x plus 2, which is the measure given for this angle up here, have all got to equal 180. So 70 and 60 is 130, plus 2 is 132. Plus the 8x, since there were no other x's to combine it with, equal 180. I'm going to subtract 132 from both sides. And we determine that 48 equals 8x. And if I divide both sides by 8, we find that x is equal to 6. That's what the problem was asking for. That's all we need to do. (32) Find the value of x. I have a couple of different options for this one. I'm going to choose the one that looks easiest for me, since I know I have supplementary angles right here. I'll have one angle that is 40 degrees, because 140 and 40 is 180. And again, my three interior angles will add up to 180. So 3x plus 4 plus 8x plus 4 plus 40 will equal 180. Combine my like terms. 8 and 3x is 11x. 4 and 4 is 8, plus 40 is 48, equals 180. 180, we will first subtract 48 from both sides. And 11x will equal 132. When we divide by 11, we determine the value of x to be 12.